Good morning, Standard 5. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 12, verb and its kind. Okay, verb. Verb talk about the action or state of the subject in a sentence. This means that verb show what the subject is doing. verb एक ऐसा वर्ड है एक्शन के बारे में बताता है सब्जेक्ट का. सब्जेक्ट क्या करता है, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट डूइंग और व्हाट इज द स्टेट और सिचुएशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. ये सब्जेक्ट का स्टेट अवस्था, एक अवस्था और सिचुएशन के बारे में भी बताता है. ओके, लुक एट द एग्जांपल. ही ran to the park. Here the verb is ran. She is a nice girl. Okay, she is nice girl. Here is. Okay, is the verb. Here it shows the state of the subject she. Okay, she is a nice girl. Okay, here rain shows the action of he, subject he. Okay, now there are various kinds of verb. We can classify the verb as action verb, to be verb, to have verb, as main verb, helping verb, main verb, visible verb and invisible verb. So now first we discuss about the action verb. It shows the action. Okay, it shows the action or it shows what the subject is doing. Okay, look at the example in your book, page number 35. Henry plays hockey. Here plays is action. Okay, carpenter makes chair and tables. Here makes. Sarah took her dinner and went to bed. Here took. And you showed his talent in the competition. Here showed. These are all the action of the subject. Okay, now move to the second kind of verb, to be verb. Okay, there is an activity given in your book. Try to solve this. In my next class I will send the solution. Now we will discuss about the to be verb. What is to be verb? The examples of to be verb are is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be. Okay, this verb shows the subject, what the subject is, and what the subject was, and what the subject will be. Okay, I am happy. Look at the book. I am happy. Here am. Am is the to be verb. Peter is ill today. Here Peter is. Okay, here is to be verb. It shows the subject, state of being. Okay, Indian soldiers are brave and strong. Here are. Father was said yesterday. Here was. We will be happy tomorrow. Here will be. These are all the to be verbs. Okay. There is an activity given in your book. Try to do it. Now move to the to have verb. It shows the ownership. Okay. It is the verb which shows that what the subject has, had or will have. Subject का क्या है, क्या था, क्या होने वाला है, ये सब के बारे में बताता है. Possession means ownership. It has three forms: has, have, has, had, will have, and it has these forms: has, have, had, will have, and shall have. Now look at the example. Namita has a cell phone. Here has is the to have verb. Bansha and Amrita had beautiful hair. Here had. Okay, I have some interesting books. Here have. We shall have money when we are grown up, shall have. Somebody will have a car, here will have. Okay, there has, had, shall have, will have. These are the examples of to have verb because it shows the ownership. There is an activity given in your book, page number 37. Try to do it. Okay, the solution I will send it in my next class very soon. Now we will discuss about the helping verb. What is helping verb? It helps the main verb to express its complete meaning. Okay, it is the verb which helps the main verb to make its meaning complete in a sentence. Examples of helping verb are is, has, do, will, can, must. Okay, Rohit has completed his homework. Here the main verb is completed and the helping verb is has. Okay, this helping verb helps the main verb to express its complete meaning. Okay, in a sentence. Here Sriharan was singing a song in the party. Here was is the helping verb. Only sun can give light to the whole world. Here can. God will help us. Here will. Okay. These are some examples. Try to read this. There is an activity given in your book. Page number 38. Try to do it. Okay. I will send the solutions very soon. Now we will discuss about the main verb. Okay. What is main verb? The main verb expresses the main action or state of being of the subject in the sentence. It changes its form according to the subject. Okay? A doctor treats patients. Here treats is the main verb. The dogs usually bark at night. Here bark. I am playing badminton. Here playing. These are the main verbs. Okay? Soldiers are fighting the enemy, they are fighting. So, now move to the another kind of verb which is called the visible verb. This is the verb that shows the action which can be seen. Now, look at the picture in your book. The old man is cutting the tree. Here cutting. Cutting is an action. Okay? Which can be seen. The farmer is sowing the seeds in his field. They are sowing. Sowing is a kind of action which can be seen. She is writing a letter. Writing is an action which can be seen. My papa is driving the car. The driving is an action which can be seen. Okay. So, these actions can be seen. So, these are called the visible verbs. Okay. Now, move to the invisible verb. This is the verb that shows the action that is not visible to the eyes. This kind of actions take place in the mind only. Okay? The examples of invisible verbs are